big and serious. Let's continue where we left off. Just peeled off the scotch tape from this one. Have a look. First 30 is now. Come on now. Look me here, man. And in the back. This one is small. Yeah, but to put this. That looks so nice. Jesus Christ. I wonder what I hold in my hand. Wow, big W's. This one heated on. We'll get all of them another press again just now. Let me go there. What do you like to say? Take you first. Give him another 10 seconds. This one. For what time my headphones in? Alright, from now on you will get good quality. Oops. Alright. You hear me now? Hold on. Alright. It's on my show now. Big and serious. We here, we live, we lit again. Big and serious. Let's remove this. One t-shirt done. One t-shirt done. One t-shirt out of the way. Let's fold it up. Fold it up, fold it up. W's in the chat. This one looks so nice. Manifesto. Yes. Going ahead with life. Yeah, red, blue, yeah, this to do, green to do. I changed my mind on that green. Changed my mind on this green. Putting back this green, and I'm gonna use this green. It'll look better. Alright, fuck it, go live. If that's what you want me to fucking do. Jesus Christ. You just won't give me 3 like I asked for. crazy, yo. Can I have a minute of your time? Woo-wee! I'm proud of this one for real. Oh, now we have, I need to use this one for photo shoots. And put it on a blind one time. Wow, W's in the chat. Wow, that's a beautiful idea for me to put big and small on the black. Medium. Yeah. Wow, you see that design, boy? Jeez! Turn me up. Let me show you. Let me show. Let me give you all the exclusive look. Come and check this out. Hold on, hold on. Look at this. Hold on. I'm too excited. Let me turn on the camera. Look at this. This is exclusive. This is exclusive. Guys, this is exclusive. Woo-wee. This is exclusive. W is in the chat. Let me move this from me. Oh my. Let's take some pictures, guys.